Let's take a look at this multiple choice question. Jason, an accountant whose employer reimbursed him $12,000 for law school tuition. The employer requires advanced education but does not specifically require a law degree. What amount is excludable from Jason's income? This is a tricky question. Okay, given what we have is this. First, let's see. Is this required by his employer? No. The advanced education does not specifically require a law degree, so it's not required by his employer. Great, so we can take section 132 out because the reimbursement does not qualify under section 132, working condition fringe, because it's not required by his employer. Does it qualify under section 127, educational assistance plan? At face value, you might say yes, because the employer requires advanced education but does not specify. What's missing in this exercise is what I kept mentioning in the problem. There's no written plan. No section 27 with no written plan. So under those circumstances, nothing is excludable. If they pay $12,000, it gets added to his W-2. Now, if there's a written plan that they would help you with your education, but it doesn't say there's a written plan, then you can exclude 50-50. But here the assumption we are making is there is no qualify written section 127 plan in place. So this is the assumption that I'm making here, and you cannot assume otherwise on the exam. Make sure you're aware of this. Otherwise, 50-50. Now, if the company requires a law degree, it's part of his requirement, then it will be C. It will be section 132. It's job related, but none of that is showing. So what amount is excluded from Jason's income? Nothing. Not Marcus, Jason, zero. What should you do now? Whether you are an EA student, CPA, accounting student, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional lectures, podcast, multiple choice, true, false, exercises, AI resources to help you prepare for your exam, prepare for your certification. The best investment you can make that no one can take away from you is your education investment. And God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.